September. Whiteboard wall quotes. To celebrate this special month, you can periodically post the following September quotes and sayings on your dry erase wall throughout the month and keep them in mind as you plan your daily or weekly activities, all the while valuing September's unique character and taking pleasure in every precious day. On the positive qualities of September. Happy we who can bask in this warm September sun, which illumines all creatures, as well when they rest, as when they toil, not without a feeling of gratitude. Henry David Thoreau, U.S. naturalist and author. In many ways, September feels like the busiest time of the year. The kids go back to school, work piles up after the summer's dog days, and Thanksgiving is suddenly upon us. Breen Brown, U.S. professor, lecturer, author, and podcast host. September tries its best to have us forget summer. Bernard Williams, English moral philosopher. Thoughts on nature in September. Autumn seemed to arrive suddenly that year. The morning of the 1st September was crisp and golden as an apple. J.K. Rowling, British author. September is dressing herself in showy dahlias and splendid marigolds and starry zinnias. October, the extravagant sister, has ordered an immense amount of the most gorgeous forest tapestry for her grand reception. Oliver Wendell Holmes, U.S. jurist. Now in September, the garden has cooled, and with it my possessiveness. The sun warms my back instead of beating on my head. The harvest has dwindled, and I have grown apart from the intense midsummer relationship that brought it on. Robert Finch, U.S. author. On memories of September's past. That old September feeling left over from school days, of summer passing, vacation nearly done, obligations gathering, books and football in the air. Another fall, another turned page. There was something of jubilee in that annual autumnal beginning, as if last year's mistakes had been wiped clean by summer. Wallace Stegner, U.S. novelist. September morn. Do you remember how we danced that night away? Two lovers playing scenes from some romantic play. September morning still can make me feel this way. Neil Diamond, U.S. singer, songwriter, and actor. The apex of my civic pride and personal contentment was reached on the bright September morning when I entered the public school. Mary Anton, Jewish immigrant and immigration rights activist. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.